Cut! Okay, not that scary, but you get my point. But if that's you, let's help you out. I'm George Lambrou from 1 Hour Language, and I guarantee your language success if you follow my lead. Yes, I said it, I guarantee it. I offer you a stress-free learning method that helps you start speaking confidently in real-life situations from day one. Among the languages I teach, Greek is one of the most rewarding, whether for everyday life, travel, or the Greek language proficiency exam. My goal is to make Greek practical and achievable. Many people believe Greek is too hard to learn. That's just a myth and simply not true. With the right approach, Greek is easier than you think. Θα εκπλαγείτε πόσο γρήγορα θα μιλήσετε ελληνικά. You will be surprised how quickly you will speak Greek. If you have felt unsure or struggled with Greek before, this approach will surprise you. My method removes the confusion, focuses on what matters, and helps you start speaking Greek right away. What if I told you that learning the Greek alphabet is much easier than you think? If you think the Greek alphabet is hard, think again. I'll show you a simple way to master it fast. You'll be reading Greek in just 24 hours, even if you don't know what the words mean yet. It's that easy, and I guarantee it. I have many more tips to simplify the language, including why grammatical gender in Greek is simpler than it seems. Greek has 3 genders, but don't worry, I'll make them easy to understand. Gender is one of those areas that seems difficult, only because most students were never shown how to see the patterns. With the right tips, it becomes simple and logical. In my class, you'll learn to recognize the patterns quickly, so everything starts to click. Yes, only good news here at 1 Hour Language. Just take my free demo lesson and I'll prove it. I'll show you how to speak, read and write Greek in your first lesson. All without pressure or stress. Learning Greek is my problem, not yours. Are you learning Greek for daily life or preparing for the official Ελληνομάθεια exam? Εξετάσεις Ελληνομάθειας. I also specialize in exam preparation at all levels, ideal for placement tests, job applications, residency, and citizenship requirements. My lessons are focused, effective, and designed to deliver a good pass mark. Watch my full exam preparation videos and feel confident and ready on the day of your test. I have much more on YouTube for you. I've created over 400 supplementary videos on YouTube to support your learning process. Monologues at all levels, audio practice, and reading exercises. To the top 300 verbs and real-life vocabulary with practice phrases. Everything you need is right here. Whether you're learning for life or for the exams, I've got you covered. If you'd like to ask any questions, join a class, or try a free demo, feel free to contact me directly on WhatsApp. I'll reply quickly and help you find the right starting point for your level and goals. You can also check the video description for more detailed information. Θα σας μάθω να μιλάτε ελληνικά γρήγορα. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you at the demonstration lesson. Τα λέμε στο demo.